Okay.
¿Ves?
Ah, 4.
So one of the things that Paolo gave us when we moved here is walnut liqueur. So they are making walnut liqueur. They are cutting immature walnuts.
Okay. So it's nutmeg, anise. What else did we put in? Lemon rind. We grated lemon rind in there, and 24 walnuts cut in half, harvested on June 24th. 24 per liter.
Why June
It's
24th?
traditional, he said.
No, ma è matura al punto giusto, vedi? Maturazione.
And that's mature.
Mature, just mature.
That's rotten. What are you gonna say?
No good.
No.
And so they're doing
No good.
5 liters of walnut liqueur.
Say 8, 9, 10, 11. 12.
And I would show you what they're making, but we've already drank all the alcohol.
13. 14. See? 20.
And these walnuts all came from the tree in our front yard. So, by Paolo, how long does it ferment?
1 month.
1 month? So in 30 days, we will have walnut liqueur. And we are now the proud owners because Paolo and I went to the store today to get 5 liters of Everclear to add to this.
Well, it wasn't Everclear, it was grain alcohol, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Vente. Here's it literally just says alcohol. Like, God help us. What is that?
Alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you're in a bad way, this is your stuff.
Okay, let's see. No due?
Uno.
No.
Okay.
Paolo.
Huh?
Hey, she quit it. Wow.
Repetition.
See, capito. Forgot the cloves.
Okay, go.
A few shakes of the anise,
See?
and then grind some nutmeg in there,
See?
and then I forgot the cloves. 12 cloves per liter.
Okay, can I see the walnut? Can you grab a walnut so we can see what it looks like? Because it's a totally immature walnut.
Well, no, he
No.
says they're perfect on. Oh, inside.
Yeah.
No, I've been there. Ripe
See?
walnut.
No, not
June
white. Not
June
white.
24th, right.
June 24th at 8 a.m. in Italy. If you have a walnut tree, you have to pick your walnuts. See? No, no, no. No, no,
Oh, I
no, he
forgot
says.
my, 12
Sì.
and no pepper. 12 cloves. Cloves.
Questo l'hai messo?
No.
Allora,
Quanto?
two.
Teaspoons? Teaspoons, Josh.
Wa.
Teaspoons.
Wah.
Wah, wah,
Say
wah.
wah.
Wa for 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
And Josh, don't forget your wah, wah, wah.
No, we're gonna do that next.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wa.
Wah, wah, wah.
Wa.
Ah, 6 wah, wah, wahs.
For 2.
Say.
Ah, see. So 3 for 1,
Yeah.
6 for 2. See,
9 for 3.
9 for 3. Ah, good inglés. Oh wait, Josh, that's a lot of alcohol.
2 liters. 96%. And it doesn't even say what it is. It's just alcohol.
Alcohol.
I guess at that percentage, it really doesn't matter. It's not like you're getting any
Okay,
flavor.
wait, Josh, your Paolo needs to instill wisdom.
And still isn't. We need this guy.
Che devo fare?
Oh, I see.
No, io non tocco, chef.
Ah, oh,
Chef, soup chef.
no, chef. Ah,
Sous
see,
chef,
see, see.
Okay.
Okay, now,
This finish.
Finito?
Okay. 1 mouth dispenser.
Okay.
2-3 days.
Yeah.
see?
Okay. Finito.
Hey, babe,
See?
you know how that's like unknown, like grain, weird alcohol in Italy?
Yeah.
When you dump it in the recycling bin, can you like not leave fingerprints so people don't know it came
Yeah.
from my house?
You don't think we're alcoholics, you mean?
Yes, see. Oh, there goes Paolo cutting more walnuts.
1 litro.
Look at you cooking stuff, Joshua Allen.
I'm brewing properly.
Wait, you have your brew shirt on.
Exactly.
No sucre? No sucre? In?
No soup?
Sugar?
No.
No?
No now.
Ah,
Finish mouth,
Adobo.
see?
water and sugar.
See?
And per fare la gradazione.
See?
Più acqua e zucchero, meno gradi.
Brings down the alcohol level, see? Did you hear what he said, Josh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at us understanding how to make Italian alcohol. Wait, see, Paolo?
Etichetta.
Etichetta. Josh,
See?
etichetta.
No capito. Use your translator, honey bunny.
I don't have my phone. Etichetta.
Avete etichetta adesiva da attaccare al vetro?
Do you have an adhesive label to stick on the glass?
Ah, see.
See? No.
4 days.
See.
Where?
I will find something. Stop.
Dove? Okay.
See.